how to cache your invoice. So you take your cursor, you go where it's written manual. Then you put in your item code, and then you press enter. And then it's going to show you the quantity. Let's say the customer is buying 3 of the rib and block. So you enter, and then it gives you the amount. Or let's say if you want to do it quicker, so you click on the manual, it's going to change into auto. Then let's say you want to put in the item quickly. You enter and it quickly puts the item on your column. Just like that, you can put any other item the customer wants to buy, and there it's going to show up on the column. And then once you're done, you go on the cache, and then you put the amount. So the amount is 8,800. Let's say the customer get 8,000 Rand cash, and he wants to pay with a card of an amount of 800 Rand. So you put 800 card. You enter again, and then it's going to generate you the invoice that you'll be able to give to your customers. And if you want, you can email it to your customers if you want, because it's on PDF format. And here you can see a logo, the details. And then when it comes to customer details, you can also do that. I'll show you in a while. And here's a term and condition. Here's the total amount. And let's say you want to come back to the invoice section. You can put the customer's details if you want. You can do a return if you want. You can void a line. And something very special that I wanted to show you is the finding your invoices. So you just click on this. So what happens here is that, let's say you want to, an old customer came and he's looking for his invoices. So you quickly go and you see, if you want to see all the invoices of today, you go on daily. Or the past week, you go on weekly. Let's go on the past week. And then you go on search. Then it's going to generate you all the invoices that has happened during the week. So if you want, you can print them out again, or you can make a delivery note if you want.